Dear students, today we have to read about some basic properties of a magnet. So, first of all, we have to read what do you mean by number one, what do you mean by magnetic pole? First property is magnetic pole. A magnet has two poles, that is south pole and north pole. The pole pointing towards the geographical north is known as north pole, and the pole which is pointing towards the geographic south is known as south pole, and generally the north pole is denoted by the letter N and south pole is denoted by the letter S. These poles are situated a little distance inside the face of the bar magnet. For example, this is the bar magnet. This is one face of the bar magnet. This is another face of the bar magnet. A bar magnet ro just टिके भितर को हमरो कोन थिबो साउथ पोल as well as north pole. This is south pole and this is the north pole. The power of attraction is maximum at the poles. Near the pole, the power is maximum, and this power is gradually decreases as we move from pole towards the center. And for a bar magnet, the power of attraction is zero at the center. Means at the point O, the power of attraction is zero, whereas it is maximum near the at the poles. Always south pole corresponding to the negative charge Q and north pole is corresponding to the positive charge plus Q. Hence, the lines of force are always goes from north pole towards the south pole outside the bar magnet, whereas inside the bar magnet it goes from south to north. Okay. Then second property, number 2, geometric length. Geometric length of a magnet. So, dear students, this is a bar magnet consists of two poles. One is south pole and another is north pole. This is the south pole and this is the north pole. So what is the geometric length of a magnet? The face to face length. The face to face length of a bar magnet is called as geometric length of the bar magnet. This length is called as a geometric length. Next, another property, third property, magnetic length of a bar magnet. So what is the magnetic length of a bar magnet? The pole to pole strength, pole to pole distance, south pole to north pole distance is called as a magnetic length, whereas face to face length is called as a geometrical length of the bar magnet. Always the magnetic length is slightly less than the geometric length, and in case of a bar magnet, the magnetic length and the geometric length are related as magnetic length is equal to 7/8 times its geometric length. This is one formula. Magnetic length is equal to 7/8 times its geometric length. That is, the magnetic length is 85% of its geometric length, and hence we can write also magnetic length is equal to 0.85 multiplied by geometric length. This is the relation between magnetic length and geometric length. Now, the fourth property of bar magnet is magnetic axis. What do you mean by magnetic axis? The line joining the two poles. This is the bar magnet let this is the north pole, this is the south pole. Understand? The line joining the two poles is called as magnetic axis of the bar magnet. And another property, that is magnetic equator. What means magnetic equator? The line passing through the center of the magnet and right angle to the magnetic axis. जो लाइन टा आमर बार मैग्नेट सेंटर रे जाइथियो and it is always perpendicular to the magnetic axis is known as magnetic equator. This line is called as magnetic equator. Another property, number 6 property, magnetic meridian. What do you mean by magnetic meridian? If a magnet is freely suspended from its center of gravity, then the imaginary vertical plane passing through it is known as magnetic meridian. So, let this is a bar magnet which is suspended from its center with the help of a rope. The imaginary vertical plane passing through this, इमती जदि गोटे vertical plane टे आमे पास करिया, एमी तो गोटे vertical plane टे जदि भितर पास करिया, this vertical plane is called as a magnetic meridian of the bar magnet. Then another property, 7th property, that is neutral region. Neutral region. It is the central region on the body of the magnet where the attraction power is almost zero. So at the center of the bar magnet the attraction power is zero. This region, the entire region, this region is known as neutral region. Then another property, number 8, that is neutral plane. What do you mean by neutral plane? The portion of the perpendicular bisector of the magnetic axis which remains within the magnet is known as a neutral plane. So dear students, this is the bar magnet having north pole and south pole. The plane passing through the neutral region and this plane is inside the magnet. एतिकी अंश को आम कौन कहीपर न्यूट्रल प्लेन कहीपर. Then neutral point. These are the points where the resultant magnetic field is zero due to suspension of the opposite magnetic field. A compass needle orient arbitrary at a neutral point. Let this is a compass needle. This point is called as a neutral point. Next, pole strength. Another property, that is pole strength. The property of a pole on which its attractive or repulsive force at a fixed distance and in a given medium depend is known as pole strength. So what means by pole strength? जेकोसी गोटे बार मैग्नेट एक्चुअली केते डिस्टेंस रो सी अट्रैक्ट करि पारुछि. व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी? दैट क्वालिटी इज नोन एज पोल स्ट्रेंथ, and this pole strength is denoted by the letter small m. And for a bar magnet, plus m always related for north pole and minus m is always related for south pole. And more is the pole strength, more is the power of the magnet. जो बार मैग्नेट रो पोल स्ट्रेंथ जेते अधिक सी बार मैग्नेटा सेतिके आमे पावरफुल बोली कहि परिया. देन अनदर मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट और मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ either pole strength into length of the magnet is known as magnetic moment or magnetic dipole, and it is denoted by the letter capital M, and it is also a vector quantity. Mathematically m is equal to small m into 2l, another formula, where m is the pole strength and 2l is the distance between two poles. Just like हमें पढ़ी in case of electrostatics, pole strength P is equal to either charge into 2L. In the same way, magnetic moment equal to either magnetic moment equal to either pole strength multiplied by length of the magnet. The pole strength M is a scalar, but this is a scalar. But magnetic moment is a vector, and its direction is always from south pole towards the north pole. So very important question for 1 mark. What is the direction of the magnetic moment? The direction of the magnetic moment is always from south towards the north. And the unit of magnetic moment is ampere into meter square, or it may be also written as Weber multiplied by meter, or it may be also written as joule per Tesla, and its dimension is m0, l1, t0, a1. Then another property we have to go is induced magnetism. Induced means developed. When a piece of ordinary magnetic material is brought near a bar magnet, for example, this is a bar magnet, and a magnetic material is taken towards the bar magnet, it acquires the property of a magnet without actually physical contact. Such type of magnetism is known as induced magnetism. देख ये गोटे चुंबक आम नवा आ उपरे गोटे आल्पिन आम घषिया 10 थर 15 थर घषिया. After some time, the alpine behaves as a magnet, and such type of magnetism is known as induced magnetism. Then, very important for question 2 marks. Repulsion is the surer test of a magnetism. Justify it to पचार दो. So what is his answer? An iron rod attracts towards a magnet. An iron is attracted towards a magnet. The opposite poles also attract to each other. For example, north pole of one magnet and south pole of another magnet attract to each other. Hence, attraction is not the surer test of a magnetization. On the other hand, when there is a repulsion between the magnet and another body, it can say that the substance is magnetized. If two south poles are faces to each other, both are repelled from each other, and hence we can say repulsion is the surer test of a magnetism. And this is all about your some basic properties related with a bar magnet. इज प्राय गोटे 10-15 पॉइंट कहला एटा बाइहार्ट करी घुसिले आमे नेक्स्ट पीरियड पाठ भितर जा वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट ऑल आर वेरी वेरी इंपोर्टेंट एंड बाइहार्ट ऑल द डेफिनेशंस. थैंक यू.